So today I'm going to be showing you my all-time favorite slime, which I did buy this from Peacock, so don't judge people. So let's get right into the video. So today I'm going to be showing you my all-time favorite slime, and it's this green one. I bought it from Peacock. It's a little worn out, so we are definitely going to start playing with it. People say the secret to making slime loads more stretchier is water, so if you want to do that, go ahead. But personally, I think no, because I think when I do my water slime, we might get stiffer. So today I'm going to be showing you my swirly poop. I made this little cute swirly poop, and this is it, as you can see that, guys. So we are going to be doing the bubble test and the stretchy test. Stretchy, I'm giving it like a 5 out of 10 because I don't really, doesn't really stretch that much. Bubbles, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this or not because it makes a really weird noise. 8 out of 10 maybe. The 2 was knocked off because it didn't go very big. It just went small and went really, really loud. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to be showing you my all-time favorite Tsum Tsums or Tsum Tsums, whatever you want to call them, basically. And so I don't know what else I could really do. I feel like I give this a good to get your slime from, but I think you need to just play with it to get